Hi, I'm Fred from therequirementsengineer.com. In this video, I will show you how to save files in drawio. And I will show you the best methods and the most useful formats so you always keep your work safe and shareable. If you like practical tutorials about modeling and requirements engineering, please subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next videos. Drawio, also known as diagrams.net, is a free diagramming tool. I use it for flowcharts, network diagrams, and process visuals. And because it supports many expert formats, I can share my diagrams in the right way for every use case. When working with drawio, saving is crucial. I've learned how frustrating it is to lose changes because I didn't save correctly. So let's do it the right way. Tip first, use the default format. The recommended format is .drawio. This keeps your diagram fully compatible with drawio and other supported tools. Let us start with the cleanest method, save as. I am already in the drawio editor and have opened a diagram I changed previously. To save as, I go to File in the menu and then I click Save As. In the Save dialog, I enter a clear file name, for example, saved drawio file. Now I choose the location where I want to save. Usually the last saved folder is already selected. Here I am already in the desktop folder where I want to save this file. Now I choose the file format. For most work, I pick .drawio. In the end, I click Save to finalize. If you want the safest workflow, save as drawio first and export to other formats afterwards. If you want speed, just use the shortcuts. On Windows, Ctrl+Shift+S, and on macOS, Command+Shift+S. I use this all the time when I work on multiple diagrams and want to save quickly. Now the third method, save. For this, I will briefly change something. If you already named and save your file once, go to File in the menu, then click Save, and it updates the existing file with your newest changes. This is perfect for incremental updates. I do a small change, I hit Save, and I keep moving without losing progress. The respective shortcuts are Ctrl+S for Windows and Command+S for Mac OS. Now let's talk about formats. Because saving is easy, but choosing the right format is the key. At first, .drawio, the XML file. This is the standard format. It is uncompressed and easy to reopen in the editor. Tools like drawio and the Visual Studio Code extension recognize it immediately. The editable bitmap image.png is special. It can embed the diagram data inside the image. So you can share a PNG and the receiver can still edit it in drawio. Now .svg, the editable vector image. SVG is ideal for high-quality visuals. But if you see font or text issues, export the compatible SVG version. At last, HTML. Hypertext markup language files for web development. This format contains your diagram data and redirects to the web version of drawio. If your file sits in a cloud platform, this can make editing very smooth. So to save files in drawio, remember this. Use .drawio as your main working format. Use save as to create and name files cleanly. Use save for quick incremental updates. Save as .drawio, PNG, SVG or HTML, depending on how you want to share. If this video helped, please like it, it really supports the channel. And subscribe for more drawio tutorials. Also tell me, which format do you use most? Draw.io, PNG, SVG or HTML? Thanks for watching and see you next time.